Now, why does your iPhone screen scroll down? Let's talk about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you will not miss anything important. Now, if you have ever noticed that something like this is happening, that your screen kind of goes like this, like halfway, then it's not really a glitch in the software or anything like that, but it's actually a feature which is called reachability. And the reason it exists is that, for example, you might be holding your phone in one hand, and if you are trying to reach the top with the thumb, it might be hard, if possible at all. And in that case, you will trigger the reachability feature by swiping down at the bottom like this. Everything is going to come down halfway. You can tap the thing, whatever, and it will go back to the normal. And this is a feature which can be enabled or disabled inside of the settings, then in the accessibility section, and then part of the touch. You can see right there is one toggle for reachability, and that's the thing that you can either have turned on or off depending on how you want to have it. But this is why it happens. I don't believe that there is any other reason for it. So if there is something else that is going on with your phone, not something I described in this video, let me know about it below by sharing your thoughts and comments there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.